Hey guys, today I will be teaching you how to speed up your performance and how to eliminate lag in games and speed up network. I don't want this video to take long, so let's get started. So you're gonna download this fix pack that I created, download it, and we're gonna be covering a lot of steps right here. And also I've got like registry files here, and yeah, so let's review them. CSGO files here, you can just, I've made instructions here. You can just follow it. Game files, auto exec. Put that in your CSGO folder. I'm pretty sure you all know how. I'm not gonna go into hardcore detail. As well as a README file. And launch options. You're pretty sure you know how to apply launch options. If you don't, just look it up. As again, I don't want to go into too much detail because the last video was way too long. System files, annoyance fixes here. You got Chrome tweaks. As again, follow the instructions here. Cortana, run the registry. Game lag, follow the instructions here again. Oops. OneDrive, you can remove that. Instructions. So all these come with instructions or registry tweaks, and they all come with README files. So you can follow it there. Mouse lag fix, as again, comes with a readme file and a bat and a registry file. Network and performance, same thing, you know that. Speed tweak, network tweak. This will boost your internet, and yeah. Whew. For speed tweak, yes, I already reviewed that. RAM fixes, select your RAM, you're good to go. Boom. Registry fixes, this is pretty important. As you can see, this registry contains a whole lot that will improve your performance. You can just run it and you are good to go. So I wanna take review something here for NAP fixes for the network. For the network tweak, I want to actually do something. I want to show you. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna right click your internet thing. You're gonna open network and sharing. Change adapter settings. Right click on the internet that you use. So I use this one. Go to TC. No wait. Just everything here. Uncheck the ones that I unchecked. But if you don't, if you have like other extra stuff that I don't have, it's recommended for you to keep it at default. So yeah, just uncheck the ones I unchecked. And yeah, so after that, let's go to configure. No, wait, no, click on this internet protocol version 4. Click properties, and for following DNS servers, preferred DNS is 888. Alternate DNS is 8844. And yeah, I'll press cancel because I already applied it. Then after that, go to configure. Go to power management and uncheck any power saving methods thing. Just uncheck it. Go to advanced and go to speed and duplex. That's the only one you want to change here. Do not change anything else or you will get bad results. So after the speed and duplex, just put it to the maximum. Mine is 1 gigabyte per second, and 99% yours is too. So I'm gonna press cancel because I already have that applied. Then we're gonna do the same thing here. Right click again. Then change advanced settings this time. Then you wanna turn all of these off, 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 unless you actually use them. But I don't use them, so I'm gonna turn them all off. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tab. What else can we do here? RAM fixes, this unlocks all your RAM. I have a readme here thing. Yeah, registry fixes, boom, boom, boom. So let's go to steps and let's actually do the stuff. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to settings. Then we're gonna go to privacy. Then we're gonna turn all of this off. Smart screen filter, you wanna keep that on if you don't use an antivirus, but I use one right here. So I turned it off. Location, make sure it's off, and this clear. Make sure all of this is turned off. Off, 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 off. Camera, if you don't use that, turn it off. Microphone, if you don't use that, turn it off. Um, Speech, inking, and typing. Make sure this little button says get to know me. At first, it's gonna say stop to get to know me, but it should say this. And when you click on it, it should give you this turn on right here. Account info, turn it off if you don't use it. Contacts, turn it off if you don't use it. And the apps, you want to turn them all off. Calendar, turn it off. Call history, as again, if you don't use it, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Whoa, turn it off. This should say never. But for me, this is blanked out, but if yours is available, then click basic or at least the lowest one. Background apps, these apps will be running in the background. You do not want these. Turn them all off unless you actually use them. So we got our settings, so let's go to software. First software is Revo Uninstaller. It cleans up registry files left by other software that are not needed anymore. So yeah, you can click that. I'll just review the settings here. So follow the settings that I have. On your database, make sure it's up to date. And yeah, those are my settings for CCleaner. Mm. You can just pause the video to check out these settings. For advanced system care, this is the most important one. Make sure you have this select all. Speed up, you want to turn this all off or all on. Or turn on the turbo boost. Deep optimization, press optimize all. For this one, yeah, you can do that. I'm gonna optimize mine because, yeah, I don't use them. Just check the ones that you don't use, or basically the ones that you don't want running. Protect. Oh, this is so slow. Make sure this is all on. Even Windows 10 reinforce. All on, all on, all on. Then let's go to settings. As again, just pause the video. I'm gonna go by quick. Pause the video if you need to copy it down. Oh, logs and backup, I turn all that off. It just makes junk. Notifications, I turned it all off. It's annoying. Homepage protection, nothing really useful there. So after that, we can exit. Driver booster, I actually didn't install it because it caused problems. Avast, I just kept my settings default. AVG, don't use that. Ultimate Windows Tweaker. Same thing for Driver Booster and Radeon Pro. Problems with my computer as well. And let's go to control panel and disable our Windows features. Go to programs here and turn Windows features on or off. Make sure you have admin. And here I'm not gonna show you what I've unchecked or checked. Here, just uncheck the ones that are right here in the text file. And let's uninstall bloatware apps right here, display settings. Then let's go to display system. Yeah, go to system, display. Oh wait, never mind. Go to. Alright, that was kind of dank, bruh. Just uninstall here. Just right click or click on it. Uninstall the ones that you don't use. Uninstall the ones that you don't use. So I don't use these. Uninstall, uninstall. And yeah. Whoops. Let's go to folder options. So go to your search bar and look for folder options. And then go to, oh, here you just want to copy the one that I have. I clear this. I uncheck these two. For view, you're gonna uncheck everything except for these. So now let's go to task scheduler. And by the way, guys, I'm kind of going fast because I don't want this video to take super long. I want it to be kind of shorter. Alright, so you opened up task scheduler, go here. And then you're just gonna disable these stuff. As again, these text files have all the instructions you need. Download will be in the description. There will be no viruses in here because, you know, it's a zip file and you can just read it for yourself of what the contents are of the file. But files you can just right click and edit, same with the registry. And it's nothing really bad, it will not mess up your computer. So yeah, just follow the instructions here, the steps file. Then let's go to MSConfig. So MSConfig. And for you want to go to boot, change this to 5. And this, no GUI boot, make sure you check that. Advanced options, check number of processors and put it to the maximum, the one that you have. I'm just gonna press cancel because I already have it. For startup, let's go to startup first. Task manager. These I need these enabled, so I keep them enabled. And services, you're gonna disable all this. I have it in the text file. All this, every single one. So, yeah, that's pretty much for MSConfig. Windows update, and yes, you wanna keep your Windows updated. Privacy settings, we went through that. MSConfig, we went through that. System INI, it's gonna be here somewhere. Annoyance fixer. Whatever. It's gonna be one of these system files. One of them is gonna contain. Oh yeah, here it is. Speed tweak. It's gonna be here. Just read the instructions on how to do it. Advanced settings. We never went through that yet. So just go to your search bar and look for advanced settings. Yeah. View advanced system settings. Oh, we are 14 minutes in. Jesus. Environment variables. Oh yeah. Go to environment variables and add this. Dev mgr show non-present devices. Value is 1. Press OK. I'm not gonna press OK because I already have it. System protection. I turned mine off. Remote. If you don't use this, just turn it off. And performance. You want this to be custom. Just if you want your windows to look normal, Just copy the ones I have here. Advanced, change, uncheck. If by default you're gonna have it checked, just uncheck, select custom size, and you're gonna put the recommended size for it. Put the recommended initial and maximum. Data execution prevention, nothing really there. Then we're basically done this part, and yeah. Sound scheme, right click on your uh, little volume icon, click sounds. Put this to no sounds. No sounds. Make sure it's like that. Playback devices, you're gonna choose your speakers. Mine's this. Enhancements. Enhancements, you wanna check this. Disable all sound effects if you don't use it. Advanced, put it to the lowest one. Here, this is the highest. Make sure it's the lowest now. Go to your mic if you use a mic, which I do. I have this setting here. Setting, not much to change for your mic, but your playback devices, yes, cause it can sometimes cause sound lag if you don't do that. We're gonna unpark our CPU now. So I downloaded this program. Oh, wrong program. Whoops. I downloaded this program. It's to unpark your CPU so all of them can be active. So let's just run it and yeah, see what it does. Okay, when you run it, you're gonna check status. Just click on it. I'll be back with you after it's done. Okay, so it's done and you just want this. You're gonna have, by default, you're gonna have park. You wanna change it, you wanna click this on park all. Just wait a bit, then boom, you're done. Exit. And now we can actually overclock your monitor. If you didn't know that, you actually can. But you can't, if you have like a 60 hertz monitor, you can't just bump it up to a 144 because that can cause display issues and your monitor could break. So let's go here. No, wait, wrong app. Let's go here. Okay, here you can download the program that can overclock monitor. So let's run it. Here you can actually add custom resolutions. I've added mine. Just click on edit, change it to the hertz that you want. And this you could actually experiment because if I set this to 78 hertz, I'm actually gonna get a black screen, and 77 is the maximum refresh rate that my monitor can handle. So yeah, so you might wanna experiment with yours. Yours might not be the same. Just if you have a 60 hertz, just change it to 70. If that works, go up a bit. And if you pass your limit for your hertz, you have to go into safe mode and you have to run these. So yeah, I'll be back. And by the way, it doesn't work on Intel. Okay, now we're for our mouse. Oh, my M button's not working. Let's get here. I don't know what happened, but my M's not working. Let's just look for an M here. Hopefully. Oh, oh, here we go. Just look up mouse on your search. Just do this, mouse and touchpad settings. And here, additional mouse options. Click that. Pointer options, disable enhanced pointer precision to reduce mouse lag. And that's really all you need to do here. There's nothing really much. So we've got our mouse settings and oh yes, device manager here. So we've shown our hidden devices with this environment variable that I told you to add earlier. Just here, show hidden devices. And basically just uninstall the ones that are grayed out like this. So I'm gonna uninstall that because I don't use it. Uninstall that. Just yes, uninstall the ones that are grayed out. Make sure you don't wrongly uninstall. Check first before you actually uninstall it. So yeah, I'll be right back after I uninstall all of the devices that are grayed out. Alright, this video is taking as long, but I'll add directories to the description, so check it out there. So here you get the system devices and your device manager. So what you want to do is you want to disable no, not that. High precision event timer, system timer, and programmable interrupt controller. And this disabling these can cause performance lag or a performance boost you can test out for yourself. Alright, next up, that's for the driver update. So if you have Intel, go here. AMD, go here. Nvidia, go here. And if you guys are wondering why I'm pausing the video so much, it's just I don't want it to take super long, and it already has. Wow. And yeah, guys, that's basically on how to speed up your computer, network, Google Chrome, everything. So I'm gonna put this zip file for download, and you can read. There's a README file in each folder. Run all of these, you will get the maximum performance that your computer can do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye. Yeah, peace out.